Hello! I want to show you the easiest method for tinting car windows without spending fortune. First, I suggest avoiding the most difficult part, which is cutting the film to the right size and shape. I recommend checking the link available in the description for pre-cut windows tints specific to your car. Let's get started. The car's windows are already prepared for the film and have been thoroughly cleaned. You will need a spray bottle with water mixed with 3-4 drops of soap, as well as a squeegee. Before you begin, make sure the film you receive is the correct size and shape to avoid disappointment. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will show you how to apply the film to the rear passenger door. Some people suggest removing the window sill or door panel, but in most cases, this isn't necessary. I will be applying the film without removing the door panel or sill. Let's have some fun. In the first step, roll the window down about 2-3 centimeters is roughly 1 inch. Spray the window with the water and soap solution. Then remove the film from its backing foil about halfway and spray it with water. Next, place the film on the window and make sure it is in the right position. Because you are using the water and the soap mixture, the film will be easy to move in place. Once it is positioned correctly, use the squeegee to remove the water from under the film. If this step is difficult, spray more water on the film to help the squeegee glide more easily. Use the squeegee to push the film under the sill on the sides of the window. Remove the remaining clear backing foil and spray the window, film, and door panel to prevent the film from sticking to them. Make sure you remove all water and that no water or air bubbles remain between the windows and the film. If everything looks good, use a hairdryer to heat the top of the film from about 25 centimeters, roughly 10 inches, away. This will help dry the water and ensure the film sticks well to the window. Next, close the window and continue using the squeegee on the lower part of the window. The last and the trickiest part is pushing the film under the door panel sill. Take your time and be patient during this step. And that's it. Leave the window closed for a few hours to allow the film to dry fully before opening the window for the first time. Enjoy your ride with your tinted windows, and thank you for watching.